Legends of Learning presents the Frosty's Rocket Workshop game. This is a math game that makes learning about converting between standard measurement units fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, join Frosty the Penguin on a quest to slide down the legendary ice caps of Mars. Help Frosty design, construct, and pilot their trusty rocket, all the while dodging comets and collecting stars. Solve puzzles by helping Frosty convert unit measurements to aid them in their mission. Big or small, Frosty is up to the task. With a workshop full of tools and Mars in sight, help Frosty reach the stars. Use the mouse to click and select different parts to build the right rocket ship that will be able to travel the journey's distance. Use your math skills to help build parts to help improve the rocket so you can continue to higher levels. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.